Garages need to be organised. Getting things up off the floor will allow you to store more and give you access to all of those items. It also means you've basically got more workable space so you can use it as a workshop so you can complete your DIY projects. Look at this tidy and functional garage. Everything has its place. Tools are on hand and within reach of our workshop area. We've tidied it up and given it a new purpose. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an industrial inspired workshop that will tidy up your garage in no time. Our tired old workshop was cluttered and dirty. With a good clean and some brand new storage solutions, we've repurposed this space and created a practical workshop. We've given this tired, dirty old concrete floor a new lease on life with a charcoal coloured epoxy floor coating. The darker colour helps conceal any oil spills and marks on the floor. We love the look of these original whitewashed brick walls, so giving this garage an industrial workshop feel was the inspiration for the makeover. Adding lots of practical storage was big on our wish list for this space. We've chosen a heavy-duty, durable, adjustable racking system that provides drawers and cupboards, as well as open shelf storage for easy access to tools and equipment used more regularly. Handy purpose designed storage racks provide a place for hanging garden tools, brooms and sporting equipment. Our workshop centres around a huge mobile workbench, and we've added a second workstation with a handy pegboard for some of the smaller tools and bits and pieces that get regular use. Open shelf storage is great for quick access and seeing where everything is. Measure your space, draw yourself a loose plan, that way you'll be able to see how all the modular units will come together. Our storage is a lightweight black racking system, and we've kept our colour palette workshop friendly with some charcoals and petrol blue. An industrial style light fitting with a pop of red is in keeping with our theme. Once you've agreed on your layout, it's time to head to store and explore the options. There are some great garage floor coatings available, hard-wearing epoxy-based products, and everything from your solid colours to your metallic look finishes means your garage floor can really shine. There are so many modular storage options to choose from, including lockable cupboards, workbenches with handy drawers, and of course open wall racks that give you the flexibility to customise your storage. You can build your own pegboard or buy one of these ready-made options. They are great for accessing all of your commonly used tools, and you can put as many pegs or hooks on there to suit your workshop style. To give the garage its own personal touch, you can make this mobile workbench. To check out how, go to our DIY advice section. So there you have it. That's how you rejuvenate a garage.
Thanks for watching. You'll find everything you need to complete this project on our website, or just keep watching for another video.